Hello, welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show how to follow people on Pinterest. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I should follow people on Pinterest. So we're gonna start by opening up a Pinterest app. So once you open up a Pinterest, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Look at the bottom where you're gonna see the search icon. So make sure you tap on the search icon. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. So once you arrive here, look on the app where we're gonna see the search bar. So make sure you tap on the search bar. Then try to find the person that you wanna follow. So I'm gonna look for person, or you can find person. So I'm gonna look for Obama, as you guys see right there. Let me see. Okay, let me tap on the account right there. So you guys see right here. So Barack Obama is on top. So make sure you tap on the profile on the person that you wanna follow, on the people that you follow. So right there, as you look to the middle of your screen, you're gonna see where it says message and follow. Do you see like how on follow is like a red color? So make sure you tap on the follow. Then you're gonna be like following, and you're gonna turn black. And that's how you follow people on Pinterest. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.